This is Honor X7, and today we would like to show how you can set Opera as your default app for browsing on this device. The first way to do that is by launching the settings, then enter the apps category, go for the default apps, browser app, and select Opera. And just like so, you have just set Opera to be your default app for browsing on this smartphone. And there is also the second way to do that directly from the Opera application itself. So let's simply open it. In here, tap on your avatar, then go for settings, scroll the page down for a little bit and click on the default browser section. Next, select Opera and choose to set it as default option. Alrighty, so that will be pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.